How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I got myself a 512GB micro SD card and it turned out to be a fake. So I had to send it back and I got a different one from Amazon. So to buy one from eBay, I got this one from Amazon and this is not a fake one. I've actually wanted this card for a while but I didn't really get it. Now that I've got it, I put my 10,000 tracks on it in lossless format and it's only filled halfway through, so I've got another 10,000 I can put on, which is really cool. And I'll put this in my channeling M2S and it actually picks up every single track, so this is a real card. Just some things to know when you're actually buying one. If you put this in your PC in your memory card reader, if it pops up as a 500GB micro SD card, then it's likely a fake, because every micro SD card that you buy, just like with SSDs and hard drive, some of the CMOS that's inside the memory card is actually not up to good condition, so there's some data lost. And if it's actually 500 gigabytes, that's a fake. This one is a 512 gig one, but it pops up as a 466 gigs, I think. And that means, the other like 40 gigs or something is actually not present because it's not good CMOS, so there's no point writing data to it. So this is a real card because it popped up as not a 512 gig or a 500 one, but 466. Same thing with like a 256 gig, which would pop up as 240 gig one. I've got that one as well. 128 gigabyte one would be like 110 gigabytes. Same thing, just like that. So this one popped up as 470 some of odd gigs, and I filled it up his halfway through. And one thing I noticed is it kept up the whole speed at 65 megabytes a second or something when I was copying the tracks across from a hard drive. This card was boiling hot when I actually touched it, and while it was moving the tracks across, and it was freaking boiling hot. Like, you do not want to touch this card when it's moving the data across. So that's one thing. So Samsung cards are obviously really good. They've been tested and everything. So I was actually a bit worried that it might just die, but it didn't, because this is a Samsung card and they go through the testing and everything to make sure they stand up to the stress tests and stuff. Anyways, and they kept up the whole speed as well, which is really nice. So I'm actually quite happy. I've been using the code Mojo with it now, so I've got my whole library on there and I actually do like it. Just a quick video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out the description if you want to go buy it. I definitely do recommend it. I'll see you guys in another video.